Well, guys, we're getting close. The competition's gonna start. Take a gander. Hey?
We're getting down to the nitty
I tell
gritty.
you what, we're down to the brass tacks. We're down to the brass goddamn tacks, boys. Look at our stuff over here we're running with. What do you figure? We got all kinds of interesting apparatuses. It's fairly interesting.
Square body.
This square body over there, that truck there, I think is going to lose its gas tank. I don't know. It's going to be interesting.
Honestly, seeing the final products, I'm quite impressed.
It'll be interesting to see how right or how wrong a person was on saying what's going to work or what isn't going to work for this. It's interesting. Guy might have to eat a little humble pie, maybe.
I gotta go grab batteries for us. We might be down there for
Oh, you don't want to have any dead batteries. Hey, no dead batteries. You know what, guys? Here we go. We're on our way. Take a gander. Some interesting stuff out here. We're in Kenworth and Louisville heaven. Oh, look, even a Peterbilt out here.
Check out the pile of logs.
Tell you what. Need the doors off that Peterbilt. She's a woe up.
Nobody look over there. He's just taking a pig.
Holy ass monster!
It's like a dick but smaller.
Yeah. You with that thing?
Some stereotypes don't, they don't trend. You're walking in the future.
I tell you what, we're at the big event. Got the Canada Goose, we got everything here that we need. Well, guys, we're about to start the games. I tell you what, it's going to be interesting. All kinds of weird stuff, predictions, who knows? Again, as I always say, what possibly could go wrong? We got to move those hay bales there. We got to move them across this bridge. We got to go across that there course and put them over on the other side. Look at that square body.
Nice work.
It's in stealth mode.
Next car.
See the problem they're going to have?
Nice work. Great job.
The way they got their thing set up, they got to get back in the back of the bale, and then bales are all right next to each other, so they might have a problem spreading the bale apart to take and pull it on. Then they got to pull it around the other way. I don't know, it's going to be interesting.
What? Slow is fast. Keep going.
Is that right? I think we have to do all the directions.
Doesn't move as much as that.
God.
Let me say anything about sabotage. Good. Yeah, he went over there and said, poop.
I tell you what, boys, we got a fresh load of jewels. How many vehicles in this good of shape? You get them all the time like this? Idaho Falls Police. Well, I've been at several different car places and car haulers, and this is one of the better car hauler places. Like, they just get them off, eh? Seatbelt is caught on. It was. There you go. You can usually get 4 or 5 on the car hauler like this, eh? Because it's not bad. A little hard in the glass, but that doesn't really matter. Always wanted a hat. Got the knife. Got the knife.
These tools in another
Got the
car
knife.
was smashed.
It's got the carpet knife.
Yep, I found one too.
Got an F-bomb on it.
Hey, Chris.
Don't my hat. Don't judge me.
Look at the floorboard. There's a sheath to a huge knife, but I can't find the knife.
Oh, it's one of those surprises.
I've never seen a manual exterior before. That's
Oh, it's
freaking sweet.
manual. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
There's no goddamn keys in it.
There's no keys?
Are you going up? Yeah. I'm going to see
What's that picture?
Hey,
You got keys?
got money in it.
Money?
Some bitch got money in her.
I'm gonna guess.
Is it turbo?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if it's gonna start, but we can give it a shot. Might be missing a couple things.
Oh, got no key for it.
Hey,
Hey,
it's missing everything above the valve.
hey,
Hey, what?
the Chicanos are stealing my
Adios,
car.
adios, amigo. Adios.
There
Adios.
you go, my car. My car.
That's the same way they got here. Oh, yeah, just like
They didn't only take the hubcaps, they took the whole thing.
For the vehicle.
So the motor's out of it.
Yeah, the top half.
Full top half.
Do we need that?
Is your head still on it? There's no keys in it.
Some.
Yeah, it's got partial head.
No, I didn't actually. You've got some pictures under the visors.
If you want to check.
I'm like,
There's no key.
start taking the keys out of the
Got the
car.
battery
I
charger.
told you one thing, don't let anybody steal it.
It's got all kinds
I
of
can only
stuff in there,
control what I
man.
control.
It's
There were a lot
it's
of them
kind
in
of like
Nelly Weaver.
Christmas every day when these trucks come in. Hey, there's money in the center console.
So, you know, what do you expect?
No. How often does that
All
happen?
the time.
They're always good, man.
They got me.
Ryan!
I was in the bathroom.
Find the keys for it?
Yeah.
They were
Ryan,
fucking- Yeah.
put the battery
Get
pack
that
up.
f***ing pack on this. We gotta see if she lights.
Okay, give me.
You're about to drive it off the Subaru?
No, it doesn't have any top of the motor.
Oh.
What do you mean? It's got a head on it, don't it?
Kind of. The front's gone. The whole front of the motor is gone. I'll say that.
to get to the battery.
Don't need that. What do you need a front of a motor for?
That just like came right off.
Yes.
Get her on there.
Let's see, battery. We
This came out of one car today.
we need a battery. What? To hook up to. There's no battery, but let me see if I can hook directly to your line.
No, why would you do that?
What are you trying to start?
What is this?
It came out of some smashed Impala. We were loading it up and we kind of loaded it too far and it fell off forks, fell upside down the other side, a whole bunch of
I love it. Hit the key because we gotta get to the f***ing rodeo.
Okay, watch yourself, Ryan. Hop off.
Yep.
Top down.
The windshield wipers work.
No starter.
Okay, that's crazy though. It starts spinning now, so it just needs to.
You got no good for half the motor.
I think she might have the timing belt might have jumped. The timing belt jumped on her.
Yeah. What time belt?
Exactly.
Where was the timing belt?
Had a hat in it though.
It's one of the crews over there. Everyone's looking for heads.
I'm right here.
25, 35, 25, right here, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, sold!
My man.
To the man with the f***ing black hat!
That's what I'm talking about.
You won't get the f***ing pin though.
Oh.
You paid the money. Jesus Christ, I tell you what.
Hey,
He drove a hard part.
Here! Every third customer gets a free pin.
there you go.
He's actually the sixth customer.
I hate to tell you this, Avery, but I'm almost up to a full $1 and change.
Is that knife in there?
Well, I hate to tell you this, but
Here,
I
I'm
got
gonna
half
pull
a stereo system.
Let me pull it off before we
Say, if that kukuri is in there, I call it.
fall on our heads.
That was cranked over the whole, the motor's completely
There's
apart.
no battery.
And it cranked over the whole thing.
No, Scotia's power.
This will go with your Craig Power Play deck.
Yeah, there's no battery at all.
It's literally cranked it to half. Wow.
that little thing right there. No.
Hey,
Oh, dang.
you're
Yeah,
welcome.
I'm pretty impressed,
No
actually.
loons in there. Is that what your money is? Loons?
Hey, I'll have you know that's almost $75 Canadian.
I think the exchange is different than I thought.
It is, very much so.
Here, I'm
Quality
gonna put
right
that
there.
down so we don't kill ourselves.
Not a bad idea.
Hey, what the hell is that? Hey, this is the guy's driver's license. It's the insurance guy. If you've had too many wobbly pops and you've crashed your car into a fire hydrant and you're looking for some insurance, call this guy. He'll insure you. They call him Mr. Wobbly Pop. They've wrecked our truck. Look at that. Good as new.
I thought you were asking what was in the jug.
Gatorade.
So frustrated. So frustrated.
Well, boys, here we are. It's hotter than a freshly fornicated fox in the forest fire. You know, we're thirsty, and here we are eating
And we're
pretzels.
hungry. I need you to feed me one, please.